Want to know how to find help and support in TaskRabbit? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So finding help and support, you don't need to go anywhere. So you can just simply hit towards TaskRabbit.com and you don't even need to log in this one. So once you've done all of that, you should be in this dashboard. If you're not, just simply type in TaskRabbit.com/dashboard and you should be under the dashboard. So once you are there, on the bottom left side, you should be seeing something known as help. So you can just simply select it. So once you've selected that, the TaskRabbit support should open up. So right here, as you can see, your support time has been given. And now, what do you need help with? Just simply select send. And it's an auto bot, so it should reply you. So as you can see right here. So you can just simply type in anything that you like. You can send make files and so on. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.